What up, guys? It's DIY Arch here. We're going to go ahead and find the fuse boxes on your 2007 Ford Expedition. You'll have two fuse boxes. One's going to be under your engine, and the other one is going to be the passenger side in the front where you put your feet down over there. We'll check that out. So right when you open the hood, you're going to see a box right in the middle. That's going to be your fuse box. You got one quick clamp here. Ain't got no clamp on this side. So once you undo this clamp, just pop it right up, and then you can have all your fuses and relays. And it'll also give you a bunch of numbers in here, and then you'll just look at your manual or go online and find all the fuses and relays that you'll need to get these replaced. Some of these can get pretty expensive. If you actually know where the pull-in saves and stuff like that are, you can grab a bunch of these for dirt cheap. Now we'll go find the one that is in the car. As you walk up to the passenger side, you'll see there's a little area on there. We already pulled this off. You're gonna see a little box again. That's gonna have all your fuses, so once you open that up, you're gonna see a bunch of fuses again. And just like this, it'll still have a bunch of numbers and whatnot, let you know what you need to replace. Like if your stereo goes out, lights and whatnot, this will help to get that thing back running. If it keeps blowing, it's gonna be an electrical problem. Then you just have to go look somewhere else to get it done. Maybe find an electrician. Hopefully it ain't that far. All right, guys, that's what it is. There's where your fuse boxes are. Ford Expedition. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notifications, follow. Make sure you share it with your friends. Let them know that if they got them a Ford, where their fuses are in case something ain't working in their car. All right, we out here till the next one. Late.